Hi, it's been so long since I've seen you. I thought I'd make a quick little discussion or explanation about how I see class going forward now that we've gone to an online model, at least temporarily. So for our class, we're in a really good place. Our class, we did a lot of our instruction online as it was. So some of what we're going to do is going to be much the same as it was before. There'll be online notes and a quiz and bookwork sometimes and readings. It's what's different is that we're not meeting in person on campus. And so that's going to be a little bit of an adjustment because I'm used to seeing your face and you're used to seeing mine. And we're able to talk freely as opposed to typing in questions or whatever. So what I've come up with is that during class time, we're going to meet through Adobe Connect. That way I can still assist you with homework. We can carry on like we were before. I see having class discussions that way. Maybe we won't meet the whole time. Maybe we'll turn it off. I'll let you work for a little while, then we'll turn the meeting back on. Anyways, where you will find a link to the weekly meetings, and they will start where I will take attendance at normal time on 5 o'clock on Tuesdays and Thursdays. The link will be in the announcements. And then I'm still going to hold office hours at 4 o'clock on Thursday afternoons. I am posting a link for that as well. That's a different tool that I'm going to use. I'm going to use the Remind app, and you're going to send me a text. And if I can answer your question quickly, great. If not, we may go to a Zoom meeting, or I may make you a video solution of the question that you've asked. So we'll deal with that when it comes. But please go and join the Zoom class that I've created so that you can text me. And, you can text me other times too. It's just that I will be waiting for those texts at 4 o'clock. If you want to text me outside those times, feel free to. I think that's probably I'm more likely to see that more often on my phone than I am to go into the log into SNU. If they didn't make my password so darn long, it would be easier. But anyways, so one little caveat or disclaimer I have to make about the Adobe Connect meetings. You don't need anything. You're just going to click on the link. You're not going to need to get any special software or anything. And the disclaimer I'm going to make is I live with 4 of my children, and so it's really hard to get quiet time around here. So there may be some background noise occasionally, but we'll manage. All right, so the content that we're going to continue with. We're going to do what we can. How much we stick to the syllabus is really going to depend on things that aren't under our control. We're going to do the best we can. And that's all I'm going to say for now. We'll wait and see what happens. I foresee that for sure we'll get through Unit 3, probably touch on Unit 4, maybe not completely. If this is going to last until May, I'll probably discuss Unit 4, but we probably won't go into as much depth as we would have. All right, so my tips for success for you are to stay on track. If you have been skating by not taking notes and watching videos, you're not going to be able to do that because I'm not going to be there, and Serena's not going to be in person to be able to help you work your way through the problems. You really need to be taking those notes, and If you find that you're spending an ungodly amount of time on the quiz, I can look in and see how long you've spent. Please text me through the Remind app that I posted and let me know so that I don't think that you're just blowing off the classwork. And then last, I'm going to say seek help if you need it. I have my office hours, and the Learning Center is still offering tutoring, even one-to-one tutoring through Zoom. And so if you find that it's getting out of hand, that you can't learn completely independently or with the supports that I'm able to give you, please reach out for help. If only to me, I can try to reach out to other people for you. But it's really important that you stay on track. We don't want, as much as I love you, I don't want you next semester. So, and finally, I will talk to you on Thursday.